If you work on a laptop all day and still feel tired but unable to sleep, your problem is not energy, it's an overstimulated nervous system. This simple sitting posture can calm your mind in minutes. Why desk workers need this pose? Continuous screen exposure keeps your brain in a fight or flight state. Even when your body rests, your mind keeps running. Sukhasana helps shift your nervous system into rest mode. How this pose works. When you sit upright with a relaxed spine and slow breathing, your brain receives a signal of safety. Heart rate slows, stress hormones drop, and mental noise begins to fade. What you'll feel with regular practice: less anxiety after work, clearer thoughts at night, faster sleep onset, deeper, more refreshing sleep. How to practice. Sit comfortably with legs crossed. Keep your spine straight and shoulders soft. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and breathe slowly through your nose. Stay here for a few minutes before bed. This video is part of a yoga series designed specifically for desk workers and IT professionals. Subscribe for more short educational videos to improve your health, sleep, and mental calm.